If your kitchen feels small, cluttered, or always out of control, you're about to change the way you look at it forever. Because today, I'm sharing 25 clever and easy kitchen organization hacks that will make your space feel bigger, cleaner, and so much easier to use. And honestly, once you try these, you'll wonder why nobody told you sooner. Stay with me till the end, because the last few hacks are surprisingly simple, but they completely change your daily kitchen routine. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're giving your kitchen a full glow-up without spending a lot. No heavy tools, no renovations, just smart, affordable tricks that make any kitchen feel brand new. Section 1. Counters, cabinets, and drawers. Hack 1. Vertical plate rack. Use a vertical rack for plates. It saves space and makes your cabinet look clean and cafe-style. Hack 2. Lazy Susan in deep corners. Place a Lazy Susan in those dark cabinet corners. One spin, and everything is within reach. Hack 3. Magnetic strip for knives. Mount a magnetic strip on the wall. It frees up drawer space and keeps your tools sharp and visible. Hack 4. Shelf riser magic. A simple shelf riser instantly doubles your cabinet space for bowls, mugs, and plates. Hack 5. Cabinet door storage. Use the inside of cabinet doors for foil, wraps, and cutting boards. Hidden neat and easy to grab. Hack 6. Adjustable drawer dividers. These dividers keep spoons, spatulas, and small tools in order. No more messy drawers. Hack 7. Trash bag roll trick. Hang trash bags on a tension rod under the sink. Pull, tear, done. Hack 8. Clear bins for grouping, group snacks, baking items, spices, everything into clear bins so nothing gets lost. Hack 9. Over-the-sink cutting board. Use an over-the-sink cutting board to instantly gain extra counter space. Hack 10. Daily use drawer. Create one grab-and-go drawer for scissors, measuring spoons, a lighter, and anything you need daily. Section 2. Fridge, pantry, and small spaces. Hack 11. Fridge zones. Divide your fridge into zones. Snacks, veggies, dairy, breakfast, so everything has a home. Hack 12. Stackable fridge organizers. Stackable bins create more levels and keep things easy to see. Hack 13. Airtight containers store grains, pasta, and cereals in airtight containers. Fresh food, zero clutter. Hack 14. Sauce Station Lazy Susan. A small Lazy Susan in your fridge keeps sauces and condiments neat. Hack 15. Snack basket for kids. Make a snack basket that kids can reach. Clean, simple, and helpful. Hack 16. Pegboard wall. A pegboard turns an empty wall into custom storage for pots, tools, and small items. Hack 17. Mug hooks under shelves. Add hooks under shelves to hang mugs. Cute and space-saving. Hack 18. Rolling cart pantry. A slim rolling cart fits between tight spaces. Perfect as a mini pantry or drink station. Section 3. Game changers and daily flow. Hack 19. Under cabinet lights. LED strip lights make your kitchen brighter and more modern. Hack 20. Above the fridge storage. Use baskets on top of the fridge for items you rarely use. Hack 21. Multi-tier pot organizer. This stand stacks pots neatly so nothing falls or gets lost. Hack 22. Bread box counter cleanup. Use a bread box to hide everyday counter clutter, chargers, napkins, spices. Hack 23. Magnetic jar lids under cabinets. Attach jars under shelves using magnetic lids. Smart, stylish, and space-saving. Hack 24. Command hooks everywhere hang towels, cups, gloves, anything you want quick access to. Affordable and renter-friendly. Hack 25. The daily reset trick. Give your kitchen a quick 5-minute reset before bedtime. Clear counters, return items, light wipe. You wake up to a fresh space. Bonus hack: the 5-minute reset. Hack end your day with a 5-minute routine. Wipe counters, return items to their spots. Quick declutter. This keeps your kitchen always ready. And there you go. 25 kitchen organization hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Which hack are you trying first? Tell me in the comments below. If this video helped you, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more decor, organization, and kitchen glow-up ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.